Hi everybody, my name is David. I'm a Coke Plate Frontier from the Genesis Group. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick market update on what's going on with KOK-COIN. So, last time, this was 3 days ago, I made this video and I was giving a worst case situation for KOK-COIN. Alright, it was a worst case situation, but however it played out, even the targets, the prices, it was just there. So please check this out right now. Going down. And so if KOK-COIN makes a move where it down it goes down like that, you might see KOK-COIN, if it really goes down, you could see KOK-COIN go down at like 336. I said 336. Remember that price, 336. Or find some serious support at $2.89, around that point. Okay, so that's what I said. 336, find serious support at 289. Let's go right here. Let's go to KOK-COIN chart. It went down at 331. Okay. And I was really, I thought, you were going to find some real good support around 280. Okay. I call, if it's, 336, it went down to 331. Pretty good if you ask me, and how did I call it? I call it because I was looking at the prices in the past. I look at the prices from the past, and that's how I could call, around what price is going to go. Okay. And so I in that previous video, check it out, 17 minutes in, okay, I gave a good case and a bad case, right? The worst case, because I call it, I saw that, we could see a double top. All right. Now, also, not only did I say that, but I want you guys to check something out around 20 minutes something in, okay? Serious support right here. And, I personally, once again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. To me, KOK-COIN is going to recover. Okay, it's going to move up. It's just the development and everything with KOK-COIN. Yeah, maybe KOK-COIN has its own special plunge protection team. I don't know. This wasn't the only time I said that KOK-COIN, they seem like they have some kind of plunge protection team. And that term came out from back when the former U.S. President Trump was in office, and the Fed were raising interest rates on President Trump, because when he was in office, they felt that the market can hold, that people had international investors. They had confidence while he was the president, to continue to raise the rates on him. And so while they raised the rates on him, the stock market was starting to go down. And so he called up, I guess, different banks, central bank or whatever. I forgot exactly the details. And then he made the plunge protection team, which they still have to this day. Is basically when the market goes down too much, and the Fed comes in to save the day, right? And through the banks, and boom, they buy up the stocks, and to me, I mean, KOK-COIN, this is no lie. I wish I could share with you guys, but there was somebody in a chat group saying, oh no, the prices went down so much. And literally, I told that person, this was back when KOK-COIN was at $3, around $3.30. And I was like, look, just wait. Within 24 hours, KOK-COIN's going to break $4. And literally, after hours just went by, it was already like at 410. Literally, I wish I could show you guys, but, I can't. But literally, like maybe next video, I will show you, because I got to copy it, screenshot it, and then, get rid of the person's name. But literally, because if you look at KOK-COIN, it'll have these really weird candles where like it goes down a lot, and then you have the plunge protection team. They'll just come in and just buy it up. Somebody will buy it up. And I'm not saying it's KOK-COIN. I mean, you have investors, they see KOK-COIN and they just see just everything about it, it screams success. And so whenever they see buying opportunities, they buy it up. And obviously $3.31, that's a buying opportunity. Once again, I'm still sticking with, you probably have about a week and a half left. If KOK-COIN cannot break $7 in about a week and a half, around a week and a half, maybe give or take a couple of days, then expect another, around 2 months to 2.5 weeks, give or take. Now remember, because KOK-COIN, the prices continue to go up. It's been in the market, is becoming more well known that, now these consolidation periods will take longer. But anyway, around 2 months, 2.5 months, right? Expect to consolidate sideways before, it'll break $7. Can it happen before then? Sure. Oh, excuse me, I have allergies. Can it break? Can it consolidate just for a month or month and a half and break $7? Sure. I mean, I'm just saying, in a kind of what I see in the charts. Okay. So we'll see what happens in the next week and a half. All right. This is a very strong bounce. This is very healthy. All right, it's very healthy. However, I have to admit, we haven't seen something like that in KOK-COIN before. All right, we haven't seen something like a move so drastic and so strong. Okay. However, this is a pretty good sign of a reversal as well. Okay, why am I saying that? I'm saying that because this right here seems to have, maybe it broke the previous high. So like you see here, it was like $6.05, and even though when it bounced back, it was only at like $5.96, and it went down. Well, here for the break, let's say it was at $4.90. Well, I mean, it went all the way up to $5.18. You get what I'm saying? So that's why it looks strong. Yeah, it does look strong. So the charts look pretty good. It looks pretty good. And once again, I called this price at $3, whatever, 36 cents. But here, just right here, this long consolidation period, this is why I said you're going to have some pretty good support around $2.80. But right now, KOK-COIN looks great, and we'll see. Once again, the development, everything with KOK-COIN always looks good. And yeah, I still see KOK-COIN moving up. All right. Now, let's look at Bitcoin. Oh, yes, about Bitcoin. So, right now in the States, the Feds, they will announce moving the rate up, the interest rate up. But, it's like, what, like 0.25%? It's not even 1%. So if you think somehow raising the interest rate 0.25% is going to like slow down inflation, good luck with that one. I highly doubt it. Now actually, if they say they're going to raise the inflation rate, you might be surprised, but the market, Bitcoin can go up. Yeah, it can go up. So because imagine the price is already priced in for that expectation of, that news to come out. So let me screenshot this and let me just kind of let y'all show y'all what I see. Okay. So, all right. Now, from there, also, once again, Bitcoin, you have two options here, you can have what we saw here in 2013 through 2014, this move right here, 2013 and 14. And can Bitcoin make that move? I mean, sure, it can. You never know. You never know. However, can Bitcoin also do this? This is, 2014 to 2015, boom. 2018 to 2019, boom. Are we seeing something similar right now? Yeah. So just you really with Bitcoin, you never know. Really what I'm still looking for is Bitcoin to move up. But how long it's gonna take? I don't know. It might not even break and hit that 6 or 47,000. I keep on saying that it could or should, but it's not, but you never know. Okay, you never know with the news. All right, so I just showed you guys, this is the best case scenario for Bitcoin, and right here is like the worst case scenario for Bitcoin, and it just follows that and you have a downtrend. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys both ends. Oh yeah, and if you look at Bitcoin, I mean, it was number 3 in the gainers. All right, but that was like in the morning time, Korean time. And I just want to screenshotted that. I just want to show you guys, like, yeah, okay, so KOK-COIN made that move, right? That plunge protection team. Now, here, okay. So remember, okay. I told you guys there was a channel like this. And you can see that channel. Obviously, Bitcoin broke out of that channel. Okay, whatever you want to call it, channel like that. Now, so let's erase that. So now, what do we have? We have a channel that's going this way. However, it's going like that. So you have a triangle. Okay, you have a triangle going on here. Okay. All right, we have a triangle going on here, this card. And so we look at it up close. You have good support, which I talked about this support for Bitcoin in the previous video. However, we see this going on here. And so you don't have a whole lot of room left. So Bitcoin's, basically, yeah. We got to see what the Fed says, okay? Because really right now, Bitcoin is trading with the tech stocks or stock market. So if the stock market goes up, Bitcoin goes up. It's pretty much what's going on. Stock market goes down, Bitcoin's going down. So yeah, I think Bitcoin will make a move soon. That's, whether it goes up or down, I don't know. I really was really expecting Bitcoin to kind of like move up here and then get rejected, and we'll see what happens after that. So do I hope that plays out? I mean, sure, because I've been calling for it, but not, it doesn't always happen. Right now, once again, KOK-COIN looks good. All right, KOK-COIN looks good. We'll see what happens within the next week and a half around that time to see if it's going to consolidate more sideways or not. Okay. Bitcoin, it is at the mercy of what the Fed say today. All right. And so that's pretty much it for the market update. Remember, I just check out the previous videos and check the prices that I said in a worst case scenario. KOK-COIN follow that like to a T, even with the plunge protection team that I joked about. And yeah. So yeah, that's it. Everyone please stay safe out there, okay? Once again, you have Ukraine. Definitely I'll make a video for that because it's up on on the platform. And but yeah, just you want to be prepared, okay? One thing I have to say is normally, how like gas prices, it went up to like $130. And so you had a big deviation from the $100 price range, like the $100 average, okay? 100-day average, I'm sorry, the 100-day average. And so because the gas price went up so high compared to the 100-day average of the gas price, chances are, historically, you're going to see a recession coming. Now, how soon is this recession? I don't know. And some people feel that, America's in a recession now. And, there is a saying that when America coughs, the whole world catches a cold. And really, America might not just cough, America might sneeze, and depending on what part of the world you live in, America sneezes, your country's going to catch the flu. Okay, so you might, yeah, just you don't know, that recession rather is around the corner or a year or so from now, but yeah, historically that's how that works, right? And so you might want to prepare. You might want to prepare for food now, or at least some essentials. I'm not your financial advisor. Remember that. I'm just telling y'all what I'm doing and what I'm thinking, and I'm showed you guys why, and I'm giving you more reasons why. But yeah, you should. Yeah, I imagine. Inflation's gonna go up. There will be more supply chain shortages, just realistically. And if you think food prices are bad now, just wait, because you have countries hoarding food now. Because remember, Ukraine is called the breadbasket of Europe, right? And I'm not sure if I got my statistics correctly, but just Ukraine and Russia alone, those two countries provide like 20 to 25% of the world's wheat. So you do the math of what that is. Okay. And Russia and Belarus, or one of the neighboring countries of Russia, they produce a lot of fertilizer. And Russia and that other country, I think it's Belarus, they're sanctioned. So you're going to have a lot of farmers who can't afford to buy fertilizer. And so worldwide, you're going to have some farmers who will not be farming this year, which means when crop season comes, you're going to have less food supply. But remember, they still printed all that money. So you have a lot of currency around. And so the currencies around the world have been devalued while people are wanting to buy food with less food. So it's all about supply and demand. Well, the demand is much higher than the supply, but the demand has a lot of currency. So then it's going to cost more currency. In your case, it's going to cost more currency. In my case, our cases, it's going to cost more of our currency to buy the same amount of food, because the demand is higher and there's more currency around, which means it devalues the purchasing power of the currency because they printed so much of it. So just think, food prices will get worse. All right. I could be wrong, but I'd rather warn all of you, because you're part of the, family, the K family. Even if you're not part of the K family and you're just, you ran into this video, It's just how that works. I just want to warn you because, I got a lot of love for y'all. So you should prep. Please stay physically healthy, exercise, all of that, eat right. If you can work, work. Yeah, you do not want to be dependent on the government or any government that country you live in. You don't want to be dependent on the government of the country that you live in. You want to work. You want to be as self-sufficient as possible. That's how I look at it, And so you want to be productive. That's just, my advice. I'm not your financial advisor, okay? And please, you want to stay spiritually healthy, all right? Like mentally healthy. If you get physically hurt, you go to the hospital, right? Well, if you're spiritually, mentally hurt, you go to church. That is your spiritual mental hospital. And I can understand if you're, depending on what part of the world you live in, there's, another faith or religion you go to. But you want to be spiritually, mentally healthy. All right. I have a lot of friends that are like, oh no, I got to get my life right before I go to church or, get with God. And I'm like, yeah, that's like saying you're seriously sick or injured and you say, I got to get over my sickness or my injury before I go see the doctor, go see the hospital. Like, you don't do that. You go to the hospital when you're hurt and sick. You need to go to church or something. You need to go to God. That's the first thing you want to do when you're spiritually, mentally hurt. Right, it's that concept. And what else, everyone? Just, yeah, if you're suicidal or something like that, leave me a message. All right. If I see it, like it pops up on my phone, I will reply back right away. Hey, don't feel alone. No matter where you're at around the world, you're not alone. Someone loves you. Someone's praying for you. Okay. So I'm praying for y'all. All right. So everyone, God bless y'all. Really, God bless y'all and KOK-COIN.